We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and unbiased look at the BeltBro Pro for men, the next generation buckle-free elastic belt with ultra-soft edge padding designed to fit 1.5-inch belt loops. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The BeltBro Pro aims to solve a problem many men face: the discomfort, inconvenience, and sometimes outright pain caused by traditional belts and their buckles. With its elastic buckle-free design and soft edge padding, the BeltBro Pro promises a more comfortable, flexible, and hassle-free experience, especially for those who spend long hours sitting, driving, or traveling. The product is available in multiple sizes and comes in a package that includes 3 different sizes, allowing users to find the perfect fit for various pants and waist dimensions. This versatility is one of the most frequently praised features in user feedback. From the outset, the BeltBro Pro distinguishes itself by eliminating the bulky and sometimes painful belt buckle. For many users, this means no more buckle digging into the stomach when sitting or bending over, a common complaint with traditional belts. Several reviewers highlight the comfort factor, noting that the BeltBro Pro makes their pants feel almost like sweatpants at the waist, even when carrying heavier items like keys, wallets, pocket knives, and phones. This comfort is especially appreciated by those who are plus-sized or have difficulty finding belts that fit properly, as the elastic design accommodates a wider range of waist sizes and body types. Users report that the 3-size pack is particularly helpful, as it allows for mixing and matching to achieve the perfect fit for different types of pants, from jeans to dress slacks. Another major advantage cited in reviews is the BeltBro Pro's convenience for travel. Traditional belts with metal buckles can be a hassle at airport security checkpoints, requiring removal before passing through TSA. The BeltBro Pro, with its buckle-free and mostly non-metal construction, can typically be left on, making the security process faster and less cumbersome. This feature is highlighted by frequent travelers, who appreciate not having to fumble with belts in busy airport lines. The product's lightweight and flexible design also makes it easy to pack and carry, further enhancing its appeal for those on the go. In terms of usability, the BeltBro Pro is generally described as easy to use. It attaches to the side belt loops of your pants, creating tension that holds the waistband in place without the need for a full belt encircling your waist. This design is particularly beneficial for people who experience discomfort from traditional belts, such as those with sensitive stomachs or medical conditions that make pressure on the abdomen problematic. Additionally, the lack of a central buckle means there is less bulk under shirts, making for a cleaner and more streamlined appearance, especially with dress pants or tucked-in shirts. Despite these strengths, the BeltBro Pro is not without its critics. Some users report that the product does not provide the same level of support as a traditional belt, particularly for those who are very active or whose pants are significantly larger than their waist. The design, which attaches only to the side belt loops, can place strain on those loops, potentially leading to tearing or damage over time, especially if the pants are not designed to handle lateral tension. A few reviewers mentioned that the BeltBro Pro did not tighten enough to keep their pants in place while walking or moving, leading to slippage or the dreaded plumber's smile. For these users, the product may be more suitable for sitting or driving rather than for active use. Another point of contention is the sizing recommendations. Some users found that the suggested size based on their waist measurement was too large, prompting them to purchase the multi-pack to experiment with different sizes. While the availability of multiple sizes in one package is generally seen as a positive, it does indicate that the sizing guide may not be accurate for everyone. Users recommend erring on the side of a smaller size if in doubt, as the elastic material provides some stretch and forgiveness. Durability is another area where opinions are mixed. While many users report that the BeltBro Pro holds up well with regular use, others have experienced issues with the stitching or the elastic material wearing out over time. The stress placed on the side belt loops can exacerbate these problems, particularly if the product is used with heavier pants or for extended periods. Some reviewers have repurposed the BeltBro Pro for other uses, such as bundling camping gear, when it did not meet their needs as a belt replacement. Aesthetically, the BeltBro Pro receives generally positive marks. The metal components are described as matching well, and the overall look is considered more refined than some other elastic belt alternatives. The product is said to be truer to size than other similar items available on Amazon, which is a plus for those who have struggled with inconsistent sizing in the past. The low-profile design also means it is less visible under clothing, which is important for those who want a discreet solution to keep their pants up. The BeltBro Pro's appeal is broad, but it is especially strong among certain groups. Plus-sized individuals, people with sensitive stomachs, frequent travelers, and those who spend long hours sitting or driving are among the most satisfied users. The product is also popular among people who share belts within a family, as the adjustable and multi-size pack allows for easy swapping between users of different sizes. Some users have even purchased additional packs to distribute among family members, with positive feedback from husbands, fathers, and brothers alike. However, the BeltBro Pro is not a universal solution. For those who require the maximum support and security of a traditional belt, especially during active movement or with particularly heavy pants, the product may fall short. The reliance on side belt loops for tension means it is not suitable for all types of pants, and those with weak or poorly stitched loops should exercise caution. Additionally, the product does not provide the same aesthetic as a traditional belt, which may be a consideration for formal or professional settings where a classic belt is expected. In terms of value, the BeltBro Pro is competitively priced compared to other elastic and buckle-free belt alternatives. The inclusion of 3 sizes in one package adds to the value proposition, as it allows users to experiment and find the best fit without having to purchase multiple separate products. The product's ranking as #222 in men's belts and its 4.1 star rating from over 800 customer reviews indicate a generally positive reception, though not without some notable detractors. To summarize, the BeltBro Pro for men is a thoughtful and innovative solution to the problems posed by traditional belts, especially for those seeking greater comfort, flexibility, and convenience. Its elastic, buckle-free design and ultra-soft edge padding make it a compelling choice for a wide range of users, particularly those who are plus-sized, have sensitive stomachs, or travel frequently. The product is easy to use, discreet, and available in multiple sizes, making it accessible to a broad audience. However, it is not without its limitations, including potential strain on belt loops, inconsistent sizing recommendations, and less support than a traditional belt for some users. Durability may also be a concern for those who plan to use it intensively or with heavier pants. Overall, the BeltBro Pro is a strong contender in the world of modern belt alternatives, offering a unique blend of comfort, convenience, and versatility. It is best suited for those who prioritize comfort over maximum support and who are willing to experiment with sizing to achieve the best fit. If you are tired of uncomfortable belt buckles, spend long hours sitting or traveling, or simply want a more flexible and low-profile solution to keeping your pants in place, the BeltBro Pro is well worth considering. As always, we encourage you to leave your own review in the comments if you have tried this product to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.